Ew. I look terrible and broke. Yeah. What's up, Nasty Navy? It's your girl Salam Imani back with another video, and in today's video is going to be a lot going on, y'all. I'm going to be transforming into a baddie, period. So you already know what it is. So I'm going to be getting cute and transforming for back to school. You know, this is the back to school themed video. We're doing back to school series. Tune in. This video is sponsored by DYHAIR777. All the information to this hair will be down below. So first things first, I have my hair in this thing right here. It's really cute. So I got this platinum 613 hair, and it's so cute. Whoa, they bougie. Look, okay, this is how you want your hair to come out when you a bad bitch. All right, this is some long hair. We gonna get this thing dyed. Comment down below what color y'all think I'm finna get it dyed. It's gonna be a crazy color that everybody really wants me to do. So this hair is straight hair, and yo, girl, long is not the word. Oh, the quality, yo, I am ready already. Okay, I might as well spill the beans on what color I'm going to be getting. And so I didn't know which colors to get for this color, so I just got like 3 colors. I think 2 of them are the same. We doing pink, you guys. I got 2 neon pinks right here, and I got a pink petal pink right here. It's going to be bomb. I'm really excited. I don't know when she's going to be done dyeing it, but as soon as she's done dyeing it, I'm going to be getting it done. All right. I just want you guys to see, you know, the beginning, because the transformation is going to be lit. All right. But y'all see the hair. It's really soft. It's really neat. It's really nice. Like, and it don't got to smell. Yo, nah. They're bomb, y'all. I'm not lying. What inches is this? I forgot what inches I got. I will put it on the screen for you guys. Y'all see more of this hair real soon, because your girl is finna be fleet. Ew. I look terrible and broke. I look like a broke college girl. Oh my gosh. I am now starting this transformation today. Tomorrow I am getting my hair done. And I'm going to get some more things done because I look like I didn't even start school yet. Like, it is the 2nd week of school and I'm looking like this already. Who you know is in their 2nd week of school looking like this? I don't know nobody but me. Baby, this ain't it. Y'all, I'm blow drying my hair. I don't blow dry my hair the right way. I really just be like, do it like this and go like this and then comb it out, and then that's it, and then put it in a ponytail for her to braid it up and stuff. So I know it look a little shrinkage is real. I'm telling you, the shrinkage is real. I'm gonna get my nail fixed and everything too. Trust me. I'm gonna be looking like I don't even belong at school at the end of this video. Okay. After school, I'm going to get my hair done. And I'm trying to get my makeup done, but she ain't text me back yet. Like, she really playing games. I feel so bad. But I'm blessed. I mean, I'm alive. I mean, I'm still here, you know. I'm going to hit y'all back when things get a little bit better, because this ain't it. So right now, I am walking to my class, and I'm about to be late. I got like 3 minutes, and I look hella rough. Look at me. Baby, oh my god, get it together. All right, y'all, so I just got out of class and look at my nail. It's lifting. The thing I love about these nails, it's not tearing my whole real nail apart. Like, if this was from the regular nail salon, my whole nail would have been off just with this one. So I don't really care, but I'm gonna go get them fixed today. I'm gonna ask her, can she slide me in there? Even though you're supposed to book appointments, I'm gonna ask her, can she slide me in there today? But do y'all see this now? It is the struggle, okay? It is the struggle. See? Easy. And it's not hurting my real nail. You feel me? That's why I really like her doing my nails. She really cares about my nails, you know? I am at my appointment, but she's not here yet. But I see my wig and baby. It is bomb. Look. This is gonna be on my head. Slang. This how it came out, you know. Real slayed. She plugged it. It's gonna be a side part. I guess she think I'm getting middle because I always get middle. It's gonna be on my head. Transformation is going great. Play, baby. I'm gonna see y'all when she starts putting it on and styling my hair. This is a long 20 inch. This is long for 20 inches. No cap. So y'all see my hair. I'm gonna show y'all in the freaking sun. I don't know who's gonna record it for me, but y'all see she slayed, baby. I went home and changed. I am on the way. I'm not putting my seatbelt on, so you can just hush. I am on the way to get my makeup done because she did respond. Make sure you put your seatbelts on. Don't be like me. I'm in the neighborhood right now. I can do this. This is my city. This is my neighborhood. I can do whatever at this point. But y'all see the looks of it. She got me right, and I'm slaying it. Period. Do I look like a broke college student now?
No,
I don't. I did at first.
Like you was struggling.
Yeah, baby, the struggle. I told you it was that struggle.
Done.
Oh, I'm supposed to be getting my 2 nails fixed, but I don't want to just get these fixed. I might as well get.
You don't have time.
But I don't like when they do my nails. I don't have time, y'all. It's
so
like
you want to go back to Natalie?
Yeah, I want to go to Natalie.
Have you called her?
But y'all see my hair. This was just an update. I'm on the way to get my makeup done. Y'all see it. Y'all see Ethan in the back. He hungry.
You posted.
I wanted to show y'all my hair. This is what it looks like in the freaking sun. Bomb, you know. Real cute. Let me show y'all. So I'm in my, don't play no music because you're trying to get me copyrighted, but I'm about to get my makeup done by Mia. Her information will be in the description box. Site, no free promo. But now her stuff will be down below. Go check her out because she's gonna get me right.
Don't make the damn table fall. Cause the whole shit gonna leave there and I'm gonna look at you.
Oh, I ain't touched the table, so who you?
I heard a bump.
But that was your brother in here wrestling with somebody. But y'all see the before. Rate her makeup 1 through 10 when she's done. Okay, y'all, so as y'all see, I am home and it's like 12 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't get my makeup done because the simple fact that she wasn't having a good day, and she's gonna try again tomorrow because nothing was going right, and she just wasn't having a good day. So yeah, that was pretty much that. I'm waiting for my computer to cut on. Why does it do this? I just wanted to update you guys because I didn't earlier when we figured out that we weren't gonna do the makeup anymore. I just wanted to update you guys on pretty much what happened. So alright, y'all, so I just woke up and look, I look hit once again, but at least I got my hair done this time. So I'm about to try to put on these lashes. OMG. Y'all, this girl sent me some lashes and they are freaking bomb. Look at these. But all her information will be down below because I feel like everybody in their mama should cop from her. Like, it's a freaking must. Like, look at her packaging and everything. Like, they're really cute and everything like that. But I need to be getting ready because I know I always end up going overtime. I didn't wrap my hair up. I only wrapped the front up like usual. And kind of, this is Miami, the ones I'm about to put on. I call Miami. Hopefully it works out tonight. I mean, this morning, because last night it didn't. Because I'm not that great. I mean, I be having my good days, and then one day I'm just... Oh my God, Slum, what the heck? Okay, y'all, so I'm going to try to put these lashes on, and then I'll hit you guys back up because I don't have that much time, so... I'm at school with it and my lash is not cooperating with me. Well, this one is, but this one isn't. I just tried to fix it in the bathroom and it went left. I brought my lash glue. I brought a whole set of lashes just in case it didn't look, if it like wasn't working with that set and stuff like that. But this one's not working with me. My nails not working with me. This one is good, but this one, look. Can y'all tell? Y'all probably can't tell like I can, but y'all want to see my outfit? I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm just sitting at this table with Ethan. We waiting on our class, but hopefully y'all can see. I'm gonna back up. Nope. Okay. Did y'all see it? Y'all probably didn't see it. But pinky on the brain. But I like my pink hair. Do y'all like my pink hair? Yes or no? I'm just leave this lash alone. I mean, one gonna be good and one gonna be alright regardless. But I look good. Play with me, y'all. I left my emergency kit at home and I need a freaking brush. How? Slay. But y'all see the line. You know it's lit. But I'm waiting for my last class. And then I'm going to go to the cab for the first time. But I'm not going to put that on there because I want to do a day in the life of a college student on a separate video. So, but y'all like my hair. Some people don't. They was like, this ain't it. But I think it's cute. I like it. I mean, I'm wearing it, not you. So it don't really matter. But everybody got an opinion. Like, it don't really matter. I'm not finna be crying if nobody say, if somebody be like, that's not cute. They don't care, baby. I don't. But just updating you guys on the slay. Giving you purity skin right now. Makeup wear, none right now, maybe later, I don't know, but I'm about to get on Instagram and Snapchat. I can't even really see because the sun is in my face. Well, it's not really on my face, it's like up there, but my phone isn't that bright, but oh wow. Look at Ethan's skin. Oh, it's right. Dish my brother, not yours. Y'all, I got so many compliments today at school about my hair. Like, they love it. They was asking me, where you get your hair from? I'm like, gotta watch my YouTube video. But I still told them, I showed them the website and stuff like that. Like, it was real lit. Like, baby, they love this hair. They said they love their color and everything. They love the color and everything. So it was real lit. I don't even know how many people say they like my hair, how it feels and stuff like that. But okay, y'all, so it's time for this video to come to an end. I love you guys. Make sure you guys go check out DY Hair. I'm in love with this pink hair with their 613 hair. It's really good quality. It's just freaking bomb. Everybody already knows I come with the fire companies and stuff like that. So Shawty texted me and was like, girl, send me the company. Like, send me the company website. I'm like, girl, I'm doing a video on it right now. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like my hair as well. Comment down below if y'all like the pink or not. Comment down below what y'all rated 1 through 10. And I'm about to lay down, edit this video, put my hair up, and kick it. And that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social media accounts down below. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Nasty Navy. We're on the road to 200K, y'all. We gotta run it up. We gotta run it up. So I need everybody to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and like it up. Give me some good comments, some feedback. And if you ain't got nothing nice to say about my video, you might as well not say it at all. We don't spray negativity over here. Positive vibes only, okay? But I love y'all, and we are out this thing on game.